Queen health latest. Queen forced to pull out of event due to illness. Queen Elizabeth II was forced to call off a royal engagement just half an hour before she was due to arrive because of a health issue. The Queen sparked health concerns after she was forced to pull out of an engagement she carries out every year because of a cold. The monarch was due to visit the Sandringham branch of the Women's Institute in Norfolk today. However, the Queen caught a cold and no longer felt up to attending the meeting at the West Newton Village Hall. A member of her security team said. Express.co.uk has contacted Buckingham Palace for comment. During her yearly visit to the Women's Institute, Her Majesty usually enjoys tea and cake with the ladies members of the association. This year, the speech was delivered by BBC newsreader Hugh Edwards. This annual visit is particularly important for the monarch, who has been attending meetings at the Women's Institute since 1943. On that year, she took over as the president of the association from Queen Elizabeth, the Queen Mother. The role was passed on to the Queen Mother by King George V's widow, Queen Mary. Speaking ahead of Thursday's meeting, Mr. Edwards said it was daunting and exciting in equal measure to have been invited to talk at the event before it emerged. The Queen would not be attending. Edwards added, "I'm no stranger to public speaking, but I think this is a slightly exceptional event, so I'm being brave and been thinking carefully about what I might want to say. I think a bit like the Prime Minister allegedly before Brexit. I got several options. I've got several versions. I'm not quite decided on what the ultimate message will be, but I would like to talk a little bit about the business I'm in and the way it's changed over the years and what the challenges are now in terms of journalism and broadcasting. Maybe that sounds a bit serious, but I'll try to do something along those lines." After the cancellations, royal experts were reassured by the palace that the Queen was not suffering from anything more serious than a slight cold. Rebecca English wrote, "No cause for alarm, I'm assured. The monarch was last seen in public on Sunday when she attended service with her son, Prince Andrew, dressed in a checkered grey and black outfit. The Queen broadly smiled at well-wishers and the camera. The Queen travelled to Norfolk on December 20th and is set to remain there until February the 6th, the birthday of her late father, King George VI. The Queen's health issue comes after her husband, Prince Philip, was taken to hospital in the run-up to Christmas. Prince Philip spent 4 nights at King Edward VII Hospital in central London and was dismissed on Christmas Eve when he was flown back to Sandringham in a helicopter.